We are witnessing a full-scale chess match in the 360 camera world. DJI made the first major move, opening pre-orders in China and tempting early buyers with aggressive incentives. But Insta360 is holding all the cards for a massive global rollout on August 12th. With different strategies, competing sensor tech, and massive questions surrounding US availability, the choice between these two flagships isn't as simple as checking a spec sheet. Let's break down which one deserves your money. Let's start with DJI. They didn't just quietly drop reservations in China. They rolled out aggressive early buyer incentives, including a full year of DJI care to lock people in before Insta360 could steal the spotlight. From a hardware standpoint, leaks show DJI is playing it smart with refinement. We're looking at a larger battery, subtle body updates, and, most importantly, long-awaited user-replaceable lenses. If you've ever scratched a fisheye lens on a 360 camera, you know how painful and expensive that repair used to be. DJI making those lenses modular is a massive quality of life win for long-term owners. On the other side of the board, Insta360 is running a masterclass in psychological marketing. Instead of dropping all the specs at once, they've drip-fed creator clips, showcased a sleek white color variant, and built up massive anticipation leading directly to the August 12th launch. The X6 itself looks physically more compact than the X5 while packing serious upgrades. We're talking about a custom 1-inch equivalent square sensor architecture designed to maximize light capture, paired with a brand new AI chip. Combined with leaked battery benchmarks hitting up to 140 minutes of 8K 30 recording, Insta360 isn't just trying to match DJI. They're trying to leapfrog them on endurance and processing power. Now, here is where the entire game changes depending on where you live. If you're in the United States, the purchasing reality heavily favors Insta360. They have an established global distribution network with standard retail protections, warranties, and immediate shelf availability. DJI, on the other hand, faces heavy regulatory scrutiny and complex FCC restrictions. While there are rumors that the Osmo 362 secured an early certification window, the sheer uncertainty of a US release means many American buyers simply won't wait around to find out. If you can't easily buy it, the spec sheet doesn't matter. This is easily the most competitive the 360 camera market has ever been. DJI brings rugged refinement, modular lenses, and aggressive pricing. Insta360 brings massive battery gains, advanced AI processing, brilliant low-light claims, and guaranteed global availability. Before the August 12th embargo lifts, I want to know your take. Are you grabbing the DJI Osmo 360 Gen 2, or are you waiting for the Insta360 X6? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit subscribe for the upcoming head-to-head reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.